Welcome to TWIN BUSCH Germany, your competent specialist since 1997 in professional vehicle workshop equipment. With a corporate headquarters in Germany and 10 other branches in 7 countries, as well as over 40 sales partners worldwide, we are one of the leading manufacturers of vehicle lifts, wheel balancers, and tire changers. Hello, we will now show you the tool trolley TW014. The tool trolley TW014 is available in the MTL model and the filled G model. The trolley has a total of 14 drawers with ball bearings. All drawers can be pulled out to a full length of 39.5 centimeters. The drawers on the left side are 53.5 centimeters wide, while the ones on the right side are 26.5 centimeters wide. The bottom drawers are 20 centimeters deep. The second lowest pair has a depth of 14 centimeters. All remaining drawers have a depth of 6 centimeters. All drawers are 100% extendable. The tool trolley can be ordered empty or filled. The first 4 drawers on the left are filled with common tools in the filled model. Included tools are, for example, sockets, Allen keys, Torx keys from T8 to T70, spanners and free versions from 6mm to 32mm, screwdrivers, pliers, hammers and more. The tool trolley also has a turn and roll brake. You can equip your TWIN BUSCH tool trolley according to your needs with the optional tool sets for electrical work, special pliers, spanners and more, as well as drawer dividers for the flat and middle depth drawers and additional accessories. The trolley can also be optionally equipped with a waste container, can holder, paper roll holder and an additional lockable cabinet.